Hi, my name is Michelle Arocha and I studied Design Management International at HSLU, and I did my degree last year in July 2023. It's a super diverse and complete program, the Design Management program. You go on from learning business stuff, business thinking, accounting, but also the design stuff like structure design, systemic design, and it all goes like it ties in together. So, and as a design management, you have to have the overview of the different, for example, of the different design activities or of the different people you're working with, and that helps you get a bigger picture. Sustainability is a very big part of this program. We do focus on the SDGs, on the Sustainable Development Goals by the United Nations. And there are 17 goals, which are hard to achieve. There is an agenda for 2030. But we try to tackle them. We try to see the problem, the root cause, and how we can make a change. And sometimes it's a small step, a small change that each and every one of us can do. And sometimes we manage to design like an approach to a challenge and try help organizations to apply that and in order to work towards the goals. So in the second year, we get this great opportunity to do an internship for a few months, and that just gets you into a real organization. Sometimes even of your choice, you can openly apply. Many people are very interested in our program and what we do and what we bring. And even some of us had the opportunities to work during our bachelor thesis with the organizations we did our internships at. So in the third year, to be able to graduate, we did our bachelor thesis, and there are many topics you can focus on. That's the beauty of it. You get to decide, you get to see what you're interested in, what you want to dive into deeper. For me, it was mental health. That was the topic of my bachelor thesis. And my focus was on caregiver impact on youth mental health. So in one sentence, I tried to see the mental health landscape in Switzerland for young people and how caregivers, parents, teachers, etc., can provide better help to tackle that challenge that we face, because it's still a topic that is stigmatized and challenging for a lot of people, and I just wanted to help. I learned a lot of skills studying Design Management International. What I really liked is it was a big focus on soft skills and organizational culture and how you can shape that. And I really like that, because now I work in an office and I find myself using a lot of skills that I learned here. I still use it every day. Being it how to see the human behind the worker, how to work together as a team, how to address and have difficult conversations, how to lead something. It can be a team, it can be a project, with empathy and with understanding. And I feel that is very important. I'm really glad that I learned it here. I recommend studying design management. I don't regret it at all. Like, I'm really glad that I studied that. I would study it again. Sometimes I wish that with the knowledge I have now, I can start the first year again and do it all over again, because I know so much more than I did, and do all these projects. But it was the right thing for me to study. If you're interested in sustainability, in helping organizations, in creating an impact, in making a difference it can be little, it can be bigger. You should also study design management and join the program, because you get also to study with international people, which is very cool because you get different perspectives, different cultures, and yeah, you meet friends for life as well.